Hi, I'm Sal Gilbertie. I'm standing in front of some of our scented geraniums. Maybe you should show the pictures of scented geraniums over here.
Yeah.
We grow about 12 different varieties of scented geraniums. The most popular one by far, we do them all from cuttings. There's only one scented geranium that I know you can do from seed, and that's apple scented geranium, but we do everything from cuttings. This is rose scented, which is by far the most popular of all the scented geraniums. And then the second most popular is citrosa. They look very much alike, but you can see that the rose scented has a darker leaf and not as serrated as the citrosa. Citrosa keeps the mosquitoes away, and both of them grow very, very large in the garden. Another variety of rose is called Gray Lady Plymouth, and that's basically, as you can see, is nothing more than a variegated rose, but it's very, very pretty in the garden also. And this one is called Attar of Rose, and Attar of Rose again is a large growing plant with a rounder leaf, but it has a stronger rose scent than the regular old-fashioned rose. Then we have smaller leaf scented geraniums, and this is apple, which I mentioned earlier, and we have nutmeg, and you can see the difference between a nutmeg and an apple. The apple is greener, nutmeg is more gray. They both grow with the same type of habits, and they stay low and compact in the garden or in window boxes. Then we have some upright geraniums. This is lemon scented, which grows very upright, and this is gooseberry. It has a variegation to it. And this is a variegated lemon called French lace, and that's a very, very pretty one. It's a little more rare. It's difficult to germinate, or root, I should say. And this is ginger. I love ginger because it smells a little bit like ginger. Again, stretching your imagination. But it grows upright, and it's really pretty in the garden. It's very sturdy and focused. So I appreciate you looking at I appreciate you viewing all of these with me. And we have several other varieties, but it's early now, but they're ready for your windowsills.